gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you friend mail. Guys, friend mail is so much fun. I love sending friend mail. I love receiving friend mail. It is just such a fun thing that we do amongst each other, and I absolutely love it. So today's friend mail is going to be from Kim. Her channel is called Kimmy's Boxes. And I also got some friend mail from Mary, and her channel name is called Mary's Corner. So without further ado, let's see what these lovely ladies sent to me. Okay, guys, so I'm first going to start with the card from Kim. Again, her channel is called Kimmy's Boxes. I'm sure most of you are subscribed to her, but if you're not, please make sure you jump over and check out her channel. I absolutely love Kim. She is so fun to watch and is brutally honest, which is very important when you're doing YouTube videos, just saying. All right, let's pop this card open. Oh, so cute. Stop it. Happy Easter to a really cool person. Well, thank you. That is so cute. Look at the bunny with the shades on. Oh, I love it. That is just adorable. So adorable. Okay, and it says, and believe me, I know cool. I'm sure you do, Kim. Thank you so much. And then it says, LOL, I can't tell you how glad I am to know you. You are such an awesome and beautiful lady, and I am glad to call you my friend. Love, Kim. Oh, how sweet. Kim, that is so sweet. And you know what? I'm very happy that I can call you my friend as well. This is so super cool. This community that we have here is totally awesome, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. I am so happy that I stumbled across all of these lovely ladies' channels. And you know, my friend mail list is growing too, just because I see more and more people, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to throw them on. I can't tell you how you get on my list. I really don't know. Just one day I see your video, or I see something you said, something you did, and I'm like, you know what? Boom, put them on the list. Just saying. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the next thing, which is from Mary. Again, her channel is called Mary's Corner. I almost said Mary Kay. It used to be Mary Kay Jones, but she changed it to Mary's Corner because she's always sitting in the corner. Okay, guys, so I got this box here in my P.O. box from Mary. So, I don't know what's in it. Let's check it out. Oh, so we have a card. Oh, wow. Wow. So we have a card on top that looks... I dropped it! Oh, hopefully I can pick that up quickly. But it looks like this. We have a nice cool little bow. Oh, look, it's so fuzzy. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, so we first have to do the card, guys. Can I swoop in and pick it up without this negative space being here too long? Guys, time me. Here we go. See if I'm back in a flash. I'm back. That wasn't too bad, right? Okay, so here's the card from Mary. Let's open that up first. It says, just sending a happy little hello. Oh, so cute. It's got a little mouse on it and stuff. That is just adorable, guys. It's so super cute. And you open it up. It says, to someone I'm so glad to know. Oh, well, Mary, I'm glad to know you for sure. Thank you for all of your support, the wonderful gifts you have sent, and most of all, for your friendship. I tried to find you some cow stickers, but couldn't find any. Give Noah hugs. I will. I sure will. Love you, my beautiful friend, Mary XOXO. Sorry for the awful handwriting. Your handwriting's not awful, girl. I could read this. See, the problem with my handwriting is I'll write something like this, and then I can't read it. So how the heck can I expect you guys to? That's why I type all my notes. I'm just saying. So here's the inside, guys. Thanks, Mary. You're so super sweet. Your handwriting is not terrible at all. If you guys, I told Tiffany wears t-shirts I was going to show my handwriting, and I really need to do that, but I haven't yet. You guys kind of sort of see it when I put the names on the cards and stuff like that. So just imagine seeing an entire, like, letter written that way. Yeah, no, can't do it. All right, guys, let's dig in here. Oh, she did this up. How cute. I don't even want to take it apart. Oh, my gosh. What is happening here? Oh, my gosh. This is so cute. Ah! Mischief Makers. How cute is this? This a pin? Oh, stop it. Look how cool this is, guys. Yes! Talk about having the coolest pen ever. I'm just saying. You know, I actually sometimes add big elaborate things to my pens so people don't take them. Like when I'm at, you know, a craft show or something like that. I want people to take off with my pen if they're signing for their purchase or whatever. But, I love it, Mary. So super cute. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, what is happening here? Oh my gosh, somebody made this. Somebody made this, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Let me see. Which way does it go? Let's see. I think it goes this way. Trying to see what it is. Did I do it right? Wait, maybe. Oh, here we go. Oh, how cute! I had it backwards. You're probably like, Amber, it's not that hard to see. Oh my gosh. This is like the most perfect thing ever. Ever. Okay? Because it's purple. It has my name on it. It's handmade. Somebody made this, guys. I'm not sure if Mary did or if she had somebody make it, but it's absolutely stunning. So whoever made it knows what the heck they're doing. And it has a cow on it. I'm just saying! Guys, you're not even going to get to see it all. So here's the top part of it. I'm going to show you guys a picture on my banister because you guys are not going to see this. There's the cow. And let me try to get to the bottom part so you guys can kind of look at that. And look, it's like dark purple and then like a lavender purple. So pretty. Oh my gosh, somebody put a lot of work into this. Guys, I dabble in knitting and crocheting, and I can tell you right now, to put a name in there, hello, and then do this awesome intricate design. Like you got the purple, then you got the black and the white. Somebody put a lot of work into this. Like a lot of work into this. Oh my God, Mary, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. I'm definitely not going to use it. Okay, I'm going to definitely put this on display. And you know what? It is going to be perfect in my craft studio, which I'm going to work on this year because I'm going to do a purple cow theme in there. I know it's probably kind of crazy, but I'm a crazy kind of girl, guys. This is stunning, Mary. Oh my God, you have no idea how much it means that someone made this. I don't know if it was Mary, but it is Amber. This is Amber. I'm just saying. I love cows. I love purple. It has my name on it. Mary, this is gorgeous. Again, guys, stay tuned. I will show you a full picture of this. I'll hold it up on my staircase so you guys can see the whole thing. But oh my gosh. She put a lot of thought into that. Mary, I so appreciate that. You put a lot of thought into it. You were so super sweet. Oh my God. Okay, no crying. No crying allowed on YouTube. Just saying. Kim, thank you so much for the beautiful card. I love, love, love it. That is so sweet of you to think of me. And Mary, I can't say enough about this wonderful, wonderful gift that is so perfect. I mean, you took a lot of thought into getting this for me and putting it together. I don't know if you made it. Let me know that. But I am going to cherish this. This is so awesome. Thank you so, so very much. All right, guys. Again, if you haven't checked out Kim or Mary's channel, I will link both of them in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And on this video, I have for you friend mail. Guys, friend mail is so much fun. I love sending Bam! You nailed it, dude. Nailed it. Okay, guys, so we'll start with the yeah. I think I should stop filming. If I didn't want to see what was in this stuff so bad, I just might do that. Oh. I love it when I start to do it and then realize something's so off and then I can't do it. Try it again.